Good morning, students. We were doing the chapter Introduction to 3D Geometry, in which we have done first and second sums of exercise 12.3. Now let me continue exercise 12.3. Question number 5. Find the coordinate of the points which trisect the line segment joining the points P with the coordinate 4, 2, minus 6 and Q, 10, minus 16 and 6. So here we are given 2 points P and Q with these coordinates 4, 2, minus 6 and 10, minus 16 and 6. Let me take 2 points in between the line segment PQ, A and B, which trisect the segment PQ. That means PA equals to AB equals to BQ. That means the ratio between each of the segment is 1:1:1. Now let me find the coordinate of point A. Now this point A, this side we are getting one part and this side we are getting two parts. Okay, that means the A divides PQ in the ratio 1:2. That is 1 here, 2 here. Okay, so by using section formula, let me find the coordinate of A. This 1 will multiply with the coordinate of Q. 1 plus 1, 2. This will multiply with the coordinate of P. So we will get the coordinate of A. 8 plus 10. That is 2 into 4, 8. 1 into 10. 10 upon 1 plus 2. Sum of ratio. Likewise, 2 into 2, 4. 1 into minus 16, minus 16 upon 1 plus 2. And 2 into minus 6 minus 12, 1 into 6, 6 upon 1 plus 2. So on calculating, you will get the coordinate of A, 6 minus 4 minus 2. Now we have to find the coordinate of B. Let me change the ratio. One method is this. That is, B divides PQ in the ratio 2:1, and by using the section formula we can find the coordinate. But here I am using the another way. B is the midpoint of A and Q. Coordinate of A we already know, 6 minus 4 and minus 2. So since B is the midpoint of AQ, so by using midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, z1 plus z2 by 2, we can find the coordinate of B. So B will be 6 plus 10 by 2 minus 4 minus 16 by 2 minus 2 plus 6 by 2. That is, B is 8 minus 10 and 2. So this is the end of the exercise. Now let me come to the miscellaneous exercise, which is based on all the concepts which were taught earlier. In the miscellaneous exercise, first sum. 3 vertices of a parallelogram ABCD are A 3 minus 1 2, B 1 2 minus 4 and C minus 1 1 2. Find the coordinates of the fourth vertex. So A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. So vertices of A, B and C are given. Let me take the vertices of the fourth vertex, coordinate of the fourth vertex, X, Y and Z. Now join the diagonal AC and BD. As we know, in parallelogram, diagonal bisect each other. So O is the midpoint of AC as well as BD. So midpoint of BD is equals to midpoint of AC. Again use the midpoint formula. X plus 1 by 2, Y plus 2 by 2, Z minus 4 by 2. And from these two coordinates A and C, if you take 3 minus 1 by 2, minus 1 plus 1 by 2, 2 plus 2 by 2. Now since O is the midpoint of the same AC and BD, so the coordinate will be equal. So equate the coordinates. X plus 1 by 2 should be equals to 3 minus 1, 2 upon 2, that is 1. Y plus 2 by 2, minus 1 plus 1 upon 2 is 0, so that is equals to 0. And Z minus 4 by 2 should be equals to 2 plus 2, 4 upon 2, that is 2. Now simplify them. We will get the value of X 1, Y minus 2 and Z 8. Therefore the coordinate of the point fourth vertex B is 1, minus 2 and 8. Now question number 4. Find the coordinates of a point on y-axis which are at a distance of 5√2 from the point P with the coordinate 3, minus 2 and 5. Since the point lie on the y-axis, so as we know the coordinate of any point which lie on the y-axis, their x and z coordinate are 0. So let the point on the y-axis be 0, y, 0. Point P is given 3, minus 2 and 5. Now given that the distance AP is 5√2, so use the distance formula between these two coordinates, that is 0 minus 3 whole square, y plus 2 whole square, 0 minus 5 whole square equals to 5√2 to the whole root. Now take square both the sides. So here this will be minus 3 square 9, y plus 2 whole square, minus 5 square is 25 and 5√2 square is 25 into 2, that is 50. Now simplify this, y plus 2 whole square will be 50 minus 25 minus 9, that is 16. So y plus 2 will be plus minus root of 16, that is 4. Now take plus sign. So y plus 2 equals to 4, that is y equals to 2. Now second case, take minus sign. Y plus 2 equals to minus 4, so y equals to minus 6. So the coordinate of A will be 0, 2, 0 or 0, minus 6 and 0. Now let's come to the question number 6. Question number 6 says that if A and B be the points with the coordinates 3, 4, 5 and minus 1, 3, minus 7 respectively, find the equation of the set of points such that PA square plus PB square equals to K square, where K is a constant. Okay? So let me take the coordinate of P as x, y, z. Coordinate of A 3, 4, 5 and B minus 1, 3, minus 7 already given. Now the condition is PA square plus PB square equals to K square. So using distance formula, find the distance PA, x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square plus z minus 5 whole square to the whole root, but square is there, so we are not taking root. Like this, PB square will be x plus 1 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square plus z plus 7 whole square, that is equals to K square. Now expand all the 6 whole squares by using the formula a plus b or a minus b whole square. Expansion of x minus 3 whole square is this. Expansion of y minus 4 whole square is this. Z minus 5 whole square is this. Z square minus 10z plus 25. Likewise, the expansion of x plus 1, y minus 3, z plus 7 whole square is x square plus 2x plus 1, y square minus 6y plus 9, z square plus 14z plus 49 equals to k square. Now, add or subtract the like terms. X square plus x square 2x square, y square plus y square 2y square, z square plus z square 2z square. Similarly, the terms containing x minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 minus 8 minus 6y, that is minus 14y, minus 10z plus 14z is plus 4z, 49 plus 9 plus 1 plus 25 plus 16 plus 9, 109 equals to k square. So this is the final equation. So this is the end of the topic 3D geometry. Now in the next class we will start the chapter probability.